Welcome back to this video, and this tutorial you are going to learn how to discover the best free royalty fat sound effect collection. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more free stuff like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to come to this particular website right here, pixabay.com. So when you open up the site, next thing you need to do is to make sure you navigate to this particular point right here, and you have to simply scroll down and navigate to sound effects. Then after you choose sound effect, next thing you want to do is to just type in fat sound effect, or better still, just type fat and press enter key on your keyboard. So here you are. So what you need to do here is to simply scroll down and download as many as possible. Before you download, you can simply listen to the sound before you get them download. For you to listen to the sound, what you need to do is to simply click on this particular play button right here, and it's going to play the preview for you. Once you are satisfied with the preview, come down below, come to this sidebar right here and simply click on download, and in a few minutes, your download folder is going to prepare without even register on the site. So you can simply scroll down and check on more and more fat sound effects. So you can see my download folder as prepared. Okay, so I'm going to close this tab. So you can simply scroll down right here. You can also click on next page. You can see my file has been successfully downloaded right here. You can see it's MP3. Then you can simply click on next page, because right here we have about 1 to 12 pages right here. Okay. So let's simply click on next page right here and see some other free fat sound. So I'm going to click on next page. So right here, we are now in second page. We can simply scroll up and check on preview, then download as many as possible. So on this particular site here, you can get about 223 fat sound effect, all for free. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful and you love free stuff like this, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more future free stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.